Hey, CK here again with Automation Monday. And today, as a special marketing treat, I'm going to show you the intro video of my brand spanking new, as in less than 24 hours ago, class on Skillshare that covers pauses in Keyboard Maestro. Now, my first class, if you've never used Keyboard Maestro, you want the first class, which is a kind of quick start. It'll get you up and running in just a little over an hour and making your own macros. This new class that just came out yesterday covers all the different pause types in Keyboard Maestro. And pauses might sound like a big snore. However, they're critical to reliability in your macros, and they can be really smart and interesting. So check it out. I've put links to both classes in the description of this video, and both links get you a free month of Skillshare. So with my first class being a little over an hour and this brand new one being around 45 minutes and you get a free month, seems like you could do it. All right, check it out. If you're just getting started in automation using Keyboard Maestro, there's one thing that's almost sure to trip you up. Your macros run faster than the apps you're trying to automate with them. And this means your macro is going to try to press buttons that aren't there yet, or choose menu commands that haven't loaded yet. In this class, we'll learn the single most effective solution: pauses. Ranging from simple timed pauses all the way to sophisticated condition-based pauses, these little guys can take your macros from "I hope it works" to "I got this." Hey, I'm CK, and in the last few years, I've created close to 400 automations that have saved me hundreds of hours of work and increased my earnings as a composer and music industry professional. I'm passionate about showing other creative pros how they can benefit too. This is the second class in my series on Keyboard Maestro, and it's intended for people who've already built a few of their own macros. If you haven't yet, please complete the first class. You'll find links to it all over the place in this class. This class will build on the first by giving you an in-depth look at all of Keyboard Maestro's different pause actions. By the end of this class, you'll know how to identify when and where your macro needs to pause, choose and use the best type of pause for every situation, identify exactly what to wait for, and use variables and calculations to make even your simple macros smarter. We'll start our lessons with the simplest possible pause type. We'll build a demo macro that incorporates that pause. Then we'll move on to progressively more sophisticated pauses, and we'll swap those in so you can see exactly how they work and how they make our macros smarter and more reliable. For your class project, you'll just make a macro that uses any of the types of pause that we covered. All right, that's enough from me for now. Let's hurry up and pause.